Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list and find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's tap on this info icon and tap on the three dots icon in the right lower corner. Here we've got the option block contact, so just tap on it and your device will immediately inform you that it will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see here we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just tap on more, go to unblock contact, and it will be unblocked. However, let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist you need to go to the keypad, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here tap on block numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option works. You can also enter the recents and contacts from this section if you want to, and block a lot of numbers in a row. Or you can add a phone number manually here, so you do not really have to have it saved to be able to block it. So just enter it here and tap on the plus icon. At the top you've got also the option block calls from unknown numbers. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to it your device will basically block the calls from unknown numbers. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this minus icon next to it and your device will immediately unblock it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.